In today's digital world, millions of people earn money online, right from their home, just with a laptop or even a phone. And one of the best ways to do this is through freelancing. But which websites actually help you make good money? Let's explore the top platforms you can use to build a successful freelance career. Upwork is one of the biggest and most trusted freelance websites in the world. Whether you're a graphic designer, web developer, English teacher, translator, or even a virtual assistant, you can find thousands of jobs here every day. Clients from the US, Europe, and all over the world come to Upwork looking for talent. You create a professional profile, upload your skills, write a strong description, and start applying for projects. The competition can be high, but if you stay consistent and deliver quality work, you can build an excellent reputation and earn great income. Fiverr is perfect for beginners and professionals alike. Instead of applying for jobs, you create your own service, called a gig. For example, I will translate your document from Dari to English. I will design your Facebook ads. I will edit your YouTube videos. Clients search for what they need and buy directly from your store. It's simple, practical, and many freelancers make thousands of dollars monthly by offering creative services. Freelancer.com offers a huge variety of projects, from mobile apps to content writing to data entry. This platform is the world's largest freelance marketplace, boasting over 85.2 million professionals and supporting over 2,700 different skills. Clients can post jobs and receive competitive bids, with 80% of jobs reportedly receiving bids within 60 seconds. You can participate in contests, send proposals to clients, and negotiate your price. This platform is great if you want to build your skills and gain experience, especially in the beginning. People per hour is smaller but very friendly for freelancers. Because competition is lower, you can get hired faster. Clients here often look for long-term freelancers for ongoing tasks like social media management, website maintenance, and design work. If you're skilled in IT, content writing, or customer support, websites like Remote OK, We Work Remotely, or FlexJobs can connect you to companies offering remote jobs. These are not gigs. They are long-term positions you work from home, earning a stable income. The truth is, freelancing can change your life. You don't need big capital. You don't need a specific country. All you need is a skill, a strong profile, and consistency. Start small. Build your portfolio. Deliver quality work. Within a few months, you can create a reliable income stream, even from places where job opportunities are limited. So pick one of these websites, take the first step, and begin your freelancing journey today. Your future success is just one click away.